Hello and welcome back guys to yet another video by RPM Revelations. So today we have something that you might have seen cruising down the streets of India, whether it's a clean white spec pocket rocket or just a bizarre gold shit box. So the car we're gonna take you through has the hearts of every teenage boy that has a dream of becoming the next Vin Diesel while having the budget of paying up their college's fees. Yes, I'm talking about the iconic Polo GT. And what makes this car special in particular is that it's the last ever generation of Polo GT to ever be manufactured in India. Apart from occupying the whole of Europe, the next best thing that came out the Nazi German gas chambers was this beauty, as it stands stunning from the headlights to the overall look of the car, while it looks aggressive yet subtle and elegant. Moving on to the German engineering and overall specs of this car, you don't hear that. Anyway, this thing has a 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol TSI engine. Oh, sounds longer than my address. Anyway, it has 108 brake horses with 175 Nm of torque and weighs nothing less than 1093 kgs. The Polo GT has a 6-speed torque converter gearbox and drives on front wheels only, while the wheels hold 185 section tires and 16-inch alloys that are equipped with front discs and back trunks. This Polo GT in specific has a K&N filter and Brembo brakes. Moving on to the beautiful exterior, it's got the candy white color with GT badging done on the grille as well as the rear boot, with of course the subtle black spoiler matching the black and white aesthetics of the car. Fun fact, throughout the years of its manufacturing, the Polo never really got any sort of LEDs and Volkswagen just decided to stick with the halogens.
Moving on to the interior, this car gets beautiful fabric upholstered seats as well as piano black accents that complete the overall black theme of the car. And the GT never got an updated design since its launch. From the driver's POV, we get to experience a sporty flat bottom steering wheel with audio controls and is wrapped in beautiful leather, and the aluminum pedals complete the overall look of the cockpit. For the infotainment system, we've got a 6.5-inch touchscreen display. It comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Unfortunately, it didn't get a wireless audio system. One practical issue with the Polo GT is that people over 6 foot struggle with headroom and knee room in the rear seat.
Wanna sell this to your picky parents? I got you. This thing has a top speed of 190 km/h, which is electronically controlled and reaches from a 0 to 100 in 10.5 seconds. Although when it comes to mileage, it gives about 12 to 15 km/L in the highways and 8 to 10 km/L in the city. Now that being said, you would have to hide this part of the video from your mom and dad, considering this car has a higher maintenance cost than most of the cars in this segment, and the car parts of this are more on the expensive side. The launch price of this car was 9.33 lakh ex-showroom, while the last recorded price was 12 lakh due to the discontinuation, although you can buy a used one for 7 to 11 lakhs, making it the perfect budget family and tuner car. Now that we've reached the end of this video, I hope y'all liked this video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to comment down your next ideas for the next video. Until next time, peace.